welcome back to Fitness with Shravya. I'm Shravya, a certified yoga instructor and a personal trainer. Today, I'll be sharing with you 3 different variations of Surya Namaskaras: beginner, intermediate and advanced. So, whichever level of fitness you're at, you can always give one of these variations a shot for better health and fitness. Let's get started. Stand at the edge of your mat. Exhale and join your palms in Pranamasana. As you inhale, push through your fingertips in a gentle back bend in Hastottanasana. Exhale and bend forward from the waist in Hastpadasana. Your hands reaching down to touch your ankles, shins or floor wherever your body allows you to. Breathing in, push your left leg back and place your right foot in between your palms and slightly look up in Ashwasanchalanasana. Exhale, and as you step your right foot to join the left, rise your hips in Adho Mukha Savasana. Keep the heels on the ground if possible. Gently bring your knees to the floor, followed by your chest, and finally rest your chin on the floor. And rise your hips up. Slide forward and open your chest out in Bhujangasana. You can keep your elbows bent if this is too intense. Breathing out, lift the hips and tailbone up to bring the body back into Adho Mukha Savasana. Breathing in, we bring the left foot in between the palms into Ashwasanchalanasana. The right leg is extended straight behind you. Exhale as you bring your right foot to join the left in between the palms in Hastpadasana. Inhale as you roll the spine up. Rise your hands above you into a gentle back bend in Hastottanasana. Again, ending with the Pranamasana we started with. Starting in standing position, we are joining the palms in Pranamasana. Now inhale and stretch your arms up in an exaggerated back bend in Hastottanasana. Exhale and bend forward from the hips. And place the palms flat on the floor and head relaxed down in Hastpadasana. Inhale and step the left foot back. Now rise up and join your palms. To get into a Parivarta Ashwasanchalanasana, exhale and twist to your right side without moving your lower body. Place your left elbow on the right knee and lift your chest towards the sky. Exhale and rise the hips up into Downward Dog. Now lift your right leg from the root of the thigh into a Tripada Adho Mukha Savasana. Keep the weight evenly distributed onto both hands. Bring your knees to the floor and reach down with your chest like you would in a push-up. And your hips off the floor in Ashtanga Namaskarasana. While inhaling, come into Bhujangasana. Now clasp your palms behind and pull it gently back as you push your chest forward and shoulders back. Place your palms down and curl your toes. As you exhale, gently lift your hips up. Now lift your left leg to get into Tripada Adho Mukha Savasana. Let's inhale and step the extended left leg forward in between your hands. Now twist towards your left into Parivarta Ashwasanchalanasana. As you exhale, step the right leg to join the left into Hastpadasana. Keep your palms flat on the floor. Inhale and lift your upper body. Bend back as much as you can in Hastottanasana. Exhale and stand straight as you hold your palms in front of your chest in Namaskarasana. As you exhale, bring your palms together in front of your chest in Pranamasana. Hands extended, bend backwards. Or we'll transition into a Chakrasana. For that, start spreading your legs a little and bend further down to place your palms flat on the floor. If possible, come back to standing the same way. Or you can lower your body down and stand back up. Now bend from the waist and wrap your arms around your legs, while your forehead touch the knees in Hastpadasana. Bring your right foot in between your palms and stretch your left leg back. We'll get into Parivarta Ashtachandrasana as your back knee hovers above the mat. Open your arms and twist your torso to the right. Now place your palms down and lift your hips up into a downward dog. Exhale and lift your right leg straight back up in the air. From here, we'll add a hip opener by bending your right knee and pointing your foot down. Release your foot onto the mat. With your body parallel to the ground, we're gonna reach down like we would in a push-up. Now rise your hips and abdomen in an Ashtanga Namaskarasana. Slide up in Cobra pose from here. Extend your arms and legs as high as possible. With your midsection flat on the ground, we are holding Vipreet Shalabhasana. Exhale and gently lift your hips. Extend your left leg back into a three-legged dog. And this time we will twist open the left knee. Now straighten the leg back up. And as you inhale, step the same leg forward and find the twist from the waist towards your left. Bring your upper body to neutral. While exhaling, step the right leg to join the left as you wrap your arms around your legs. Inhale and roll the spine back up. This time, we go halfway down in Hastuttanasana. Now gently come back up into Pranamasana.